Don't be fooled. This man is not what he appears to be.
Hi, Father.
Bless you, my son.
He's no priest, he's a criminal, looking for a car to prey on, so he can sell the parts for cash on Craigslist. This crook thinks he's smooth. He takes his business very seriously. He's a professional and knows what it takes to jack a car without getting caught. Until now. This thief is in for the surprise of a lifetime. He's about to encounter a state-of-the-art alarm system. From the makers of China Star and Condom Mint comes the Dave Matthews car alarm.
I am a priest. Where is this coming from?
This unexpected visitor is locked in and forced to listen to Dave Matthews, driving him into a delirium until police arrive to take him behind bars.
Friend, please, I want out of this vehicle.
And for only an extra $5,000 a year, the real-life Dave Matthews will be paid to the burglary in progress.
Hello? Yeah. You know, hey, give me the address. Baby, give me the address. Ba-da-da-bop. 403 Elm Street. Ba-da-da-bop. Ba-da-da.
After locating the perpetrator,
Yeehaw!
Is that the fucking Dave Matthews?
Mr. Matthews will play a live concert simulcasted into the car, driving the intruder virtually insane.
Stop! And let me out of this.
This burglar checked into the car, but he won't check out unless he's escorted by the fuzz. The Dave Matthews car alarm. You'll be crazy not to get one installed. Ask your automotive dealership to see if your car qualifies.